Hello, today we're learning how to draw up testosterone, which is quite easy to draw up. You want to make certain that the vial testosterone we send you is clean, so that when you take the little plastic top off the vial, you want to clean it with an alcohol swab, just like this, before you draw it up. The syringes are covered with our sterile, and we need to remove the injectable needle that's present on it and place a special needle, which is a larger needle. You don't inject with it, it's only for drawing up. And then you place it in the center of the little tab in the center of the vial, and you draw up your testosterone. For patients who are taking 200 milligrams, that's 1 cc, you go to the 1 mark, the number 1 on the syringe. For patients who are taking 300 milligrams, you want to go to the 1.5 mark. That's 1.5. Other patients are taking only 100 milligrams. They just go to the 0.5, 0.5, which is way down here. So today I'm drawing up 1 cc, which is 200 milligrams of testosterone. And that's all we need. So we'll take off the large needle, which we don't inject people with, and put on the proper needle, the one with the blue, and it's ready to go. Quite simple. Let's get it back on there. There we go. This is ready to be injected at this point. So this is 1 cc of 200 milligrams of depot testosterone, which it's now ready to be injected. Pretty easy. I'm going to show you now where to inject the testosterone. This is a syringe of testosterone, and you want to try to inject in an area where there's rich in muscle. This is the side muscle, the edge of the gluteus muscle, which is by the hip. So you want to clean the tissue with a alcohol swab, spread it with your fingers, and then spear the tissue like this. Don't slowly push it in, spear it, and then slowly inject, and then you want to go ahead and wipe again the area. The further back you can go, the better it is. You'll feel the hip bone here, and you want to go about 2 fingers back behind that to inject. Okay? Pretty easy.